The Hawkeye 2000 is the survey vehicle of the future. The Hawkeye 2000 series is a professional range of equipment designed to meet the most demanding of survey applications. The modular design of the system enables complete scalability for future growth and can be installed in a wide variety of vehicles due to its limited requirement for computer hardware. Once your requirements are established, the Hawkeye 2000 package is customized to meet your needs. The Hawkeye 2000 is fully integrated, enabling safe and efficient data collection. Survey time is reduced by collecting all condition data and imagery in a single pass. Collecting accurate, time-stamped data is assured in Hawkeye through the use of the innovative Heartbeat. The Heartbeat module ensures that all data is accurately linked to a primary key and allows for the integration of current and future data acquisition modules, meaning seamless upgrades of the equipment. This is the Automatic Crack Detector, ACD for short. This is the laser system the NSV uses to automatically detect cracks and gather data on them. Two Laser Crack Management System, Laser Crack Measuring System, LCMS, laser units are integrated into the NSV to create an Automatic Crack Detection System, ACD. The laser units project a 4-meter wide laser line across the pavement. The laser image is captured by two 3D cameras which are mounted off-axis to the laser light source. These cameras interpret the distortions in the straight laser line as variations in the vertical surface profile. Each frame is analyzed to determine the presence of cracking on the pavement surface. The ACD equipment is also used to measure a transverse profile in order to determine rut depth and rut characteristics. The processing software allows both lane and wheel path rutting to be measured using the string line and straight edge models. We also have the ability to analyze the crack maps using our own proprietary software. The flexibility of the Hawkeye software allows reporting of the type, severity, and extent of cracking in a manner that meets the specific needs of the user. ARRB Systems has a strong working relationship with the manufacturer of the 3D sensors and continues to provide them with feedback to increase the functionality of the system. The H2000 Asset View Digital Imaging System, DIS, is capable of visually identifying and locating roadside features. The system comprises of the latest digital camera technology and produces crisp, high-resolution video frames to ensure a continuous digital record of the roadway. The calibrated video cameras accurately log digital images of roadside assets against other parameters such as distance and GPS. Fully motorized lenses enable the real-time adjustment of the optical zoom control, focus, and iris for high-quality images. Up to 8 cameras can be supported, each in a waterproof enclosure and all controlled through the common Hawkeye interface. The Hawkeye Processing Toolkit software ensures that the survey database can be reviewed, edited, and processed quickly and efficiently. The data from each module can then be compared against other results and exported to pavement and asset management systems. The H2000 Digital Laser Profiler, DLP, can be configured with a variety of sensors to enable the collection of road condition data. The data collected includes International Roughness Index, IRI, ride number, RN, rut depth, mean profile depth, MPD, sensor measured texture depth, SMTD, and other parameters. The system comprises a vehicle-mounted measurement beam equipped with ARRB Systems' specially developed lasers, enabling the collection of longitudinal profile, roughness, and macro texture, MPD, and SMTD. The profiler is configurable from a 3-laser to a 17-laser system, ensuring your specific requirements can be met. Used in conjunction with the Hawkeye Processing Toolkit, you have the ability to produce tables, graphs, reports, and exports from your collected data. The Gypsy Track 2 is the next generation GNSS plus INS, Global Navigation Satellite Systems plus Inertial Navigation System Geometry Module. The Gypsy Track 2 is a Hawkeye-compatible module using dead reckoning sensors and dual GNSS antennas to collect position and road geometry information with sub-meter accuracy. This combined system provides a far greater update rate and supports more satellite systems than previous GNSS offerings, including SBAS and OmniStar. It boasts real-time fused GNSS-INS outputs in all survey conditions, including periods of GNSS outage. The system records and combines inertial data from a 3-axis gyroscope, 3-axis accelerometer, and a distance sensor with dual GNSS positional information. The built-in dead reckoning allows for position data to be recorded when in tunnels, under bridges, and locations with little or no GNSS coverage. The data can be post-processed to achieve centimeter-level accuracy when installed in a Hawkeye 2000 system. The Gypsy Track 2 data can be used in conjunction with the other Hawkeye modules and can be exported from Hawkeye Processing Toolkit to pavement management systems.